In this video, we are going to show you amazing Angelic Sword Lightsaber, a truly divine weapon that combines the power of the Force with the elegance of a holy symbol. Before we move ahead, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos. Angelic Sword comes with strong box. Let's see what inside. It comes with instruction manual, charging cable, toolkit, blade, handle, card reader, sword frame, sword sieve. Now let's assemble it. It is crafted with the finest materials and precision engineering. This lightsaber features a unique cross-shaped hilt in a stunning gold and black color scheme. With its brilliant blue blade, the Angelic Sword Lightsaber is the ultimate weapon for any true Jedi warrior. The blade can be ignited with the flick of a switch, allowing you to channel the power of the Force and take on the dark forces that threaten the galaxy. Its high-quality materials and attention to detail make it the perfect addition to any lightsaber collection, adding a touch of class and sophistication to any display. It is amazing and unique because it can be controlled through a mobile phone application. You can control its sound effects, which is great. It comes with two variations. It has 34 sets of sound effects and 16 kinds of infinitely variable colors. It has different kind of light effects. It has long 3600 mAh battery. Sturdy metal hilt that fits well in the palm and bright LED lights that change colors. The assembly is straightforward as you have to screw the light into the hilt. Sounds are loud and clear, and you have the option to switch through the sound settings for a quieter sound. Battery charge time is good, and it comes with a USB cable to charge the saber. There's never been a better way to fulfill your child's dream of owning a real lightsaber. Get the authentic, real experience wielding our lightsabers. They can withstand even the longest, most intense duels. Whether you're a fan of Star Wars or a collector of unique and elegant weapons, the Angelic Sword Lightsaber is a must-have item. So why wait? Get your Angelic Sword Lightsaber today and wield the power of the Force in style. Product link is mentioned in the description. Go get your, and please before leave, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product videos.